Give me a break. Every day, Golf Cart Garage gets calls and emails just like this one. Todd's email says, "Hi Dave, the brakes are worn out on my old EZGO and I want to know if I should replace the whole brake assembly or just the pads. What do you think?" So it's time to ask Dave, right now, on GCGTV. Hey, welcome back to the Golf Cart Garage. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a look at replacing the brake assemblies on our EZGO TXT. We get this question on an everyday basis, and we thought we'd offer our preferred solution to soft brakes today on Ask Dave. We picked out this question because a lot of people choose pieces parts like spring kits, shoes, or pads that require a lot of time to replace and can overlook parts that may soon fail, resulting in even more time with the cart on jack stands instead of on the road. These individual parts are under tension, and the assembly and replacing small components even one time may convince you to replace the entire thing next time, depending on how much you like doing brake work or having spring-loaded metal parts snap on your fingers. Not everyone will agree. Some people like Nick here really enjoy tearing an assembly apart and have time to spare. But in the garage, our motto is move fast and break things. So our priority here was saving time and hassle while we fix our broken brakes. We pulled the wheel hub and removed the bolts on the brake assembly to give the cable some slack, then disconnected the brake cable from the back of the assembly under the cart. This is a pretty simple remove and replace procedure, and once we had the assembly replaced, we checked the brake pedal to make sure it put pressure on the wheel hub before replacing the wheel and tire. Our brakes were broken, but we wanted to fix our broken brakes without going broke. I know, leave it to the guys at the parts counter to suggest that we buy the more expensive option. But choosing the full assembly here is a much safer, easier, faster job, and we can be confident in a solid replacement that we won't have to work on again anytime soon. We decided to replace the whole assembly on both sides to save time, sure, but also because while working on this cart, we've run into a lot of rusted hardware, along with steering and suspension components that have definitely seen better days. So it's a safe bet that if we just replace the worn pads, we're going to run into other issues later and wind up having to pull the wheel hub and dig back in for more of this time-consuming, tedious work. Usually, these wheel hubs will have a small porthole to allow for adjusting soft brakes incrementally by increasing the tension on the pads against the drum. If your pads are in good condition, this will usually at least help with the problem. But brakes are obviously a safety issue, and our pads were really worn. We don't want to drive with broken brakes, or we may break things that aren't broken and really break the bank. So thanks for joining us for this quick tips episode. If you come here for the bad jokes or the helpful hints, we hope that you got your fix. But if you need help with your cart, get in touch. Just stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.